How to get rid of frizz is something that I asked myself for many, many years until I found the secret. Now, I don't keep much in my car apart from rubbish, but I do keep a hairbrush and this 1 minute transformation cream. But basically, it's times like this when I'm going to the supermarket and I've looked in this car mirror and I've seen this frizzy, crazy mess. So here's how you fix it. You need this 1 minute transformation cream. Literally, I'm just going to use that small amount. It's not even a lot. Rub it into my hands and then I'm just going to take it through my hair. Now, you don't have to heat activate it and it's super quick. And then I'm literally, just brush that bit over, just going to brush it through and like sandwich it in my hands. How crazy is that? This is why it's so good. If you have frizz that you need to get rid of instantly, this stuff, honestly, game changer. And that, my friends, is how you fix frizz in an instant.